These are 5 key ways to use essential oils for health. Essential oils have been used for centuries to promote physical, emotional, and mental well-being. These natural plant extracts offer numerous health benefits when used correctly. Here are 5 key ways to use essential oils for better health, along with detailed explanations for each method. 1. Aromatherapy, for stress relief and relaxation. Aromatherapy involves inhaling essential oils to stimulate the brain's limbic system, which controls emotions and mood. This can help reduce stress, anxiety, and improve sleep quality. Best essential oils to use. Lavender calms the nervous system, reduces anxiety, and promotes better sleep. Chamomile relieves stress and helps with relaxation. Bergamot uplifts mood and reduces tension. How to use. Diffusion: add a few drops to a diffuser to fill the room with a calming aroma. Inhalation: place a drop on your palms, rub them together, and breathe in deeply. Pillow spray: mix lavender oil with water and spray it on your pillow for a restful night. 2. Boosting immunity and fighting infections. How it works. Many essential oils have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties that help support the immune system and fight off infections. Best essential oils for this. Tea tree fights bacteria and viruses, great for colds and flu. Eucalyptus clears congestion and supports respiratory health. Oregano, a powerful natural antibiotic that boosts immunity. How to use. Steam inhalation: add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to a bowl of hot water, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam. Topical application: mix tea tree oil with a carrier oil, like coconut oil, and apply to the chest or feet to help with colds. Immune-boosting massage: blend oregano oil with a carrier oil and massage onto the soles of the feet. 3. Natural pain relief for muscles and joints. How it works. Essential oils have anti-inflammatory and analgesic pain-relieving properties that help soothe sore muscles, reduce inflammation, and ease joint pain. Best essential oils for this. Peppermint contains menthol, which provides a cooling effect to relieve pain. Ginger reduces inflammation and improves circulation. Lavender soothes muscle tension and headaches. How to use these. Massage: mix a few drops with a carrier oil, like almond or jojoba oil, and massage onto sore areas. Hot compress: add a few drops of essential oil to warm water, soak a cloth, and apply it to the affected area. Bath soak: add peppermint and lavender oil to a warm bath with Epsom salts for muscle relaxation. 4. Aiding digestion and reducing bloating. How it works. Certain essential oils support digestion by relaxing the digestive tract, reducing bloating, and alleviating nausea. Best essential oils for this. Peppermint soothes indigestion, bloating, and nausea. Ginger stimulates digestion and reduces nausea. Fennel helps with bloating and gas. How to use. Tummy massage: mix a few drops of peppermint or ginger oil with a carrier oil and massage onto the stomach. Inhalation: breathe in peppermint oil directly from the bottle to relieve nausea. Warm tea: add a drop of food-grade fennel or ginger oil to warm water for digestive relief. 5. Skincare and wound healing. How it works. Essential oils have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that help with acne, scars, and overall skin health. Best essential oils for this. Tea tree treats acne and prevents breakouts. Frankincense promotes skin regeneration and reduces scars. Rosehip hydrates the skin and reduces wrinkles. How to use. Spot treatment: dilute tea tree oil with a carrier oil and apply to acne-prone areas. Facial serum: mix frankincense with a carrier oil like jojoba and apply to the skin at night. Scar healing: blend rosehip and lavender oil and apply to scars for faster healing. Finally, Essential oils provide natural and effective ways to support health and well-being. Whether through aromatherapy, topical application, or inhalation, they offer powerful benefits for stress relief, immunity, pain management, digestion, and skin care. Always use high-quality essential oils and dilute them properly before applying to the skin to avoid irritation. Do not forget to always consult your doctor for medical advice, and please, subscribe to my channel for more.